Welcome to Apollo University, a Knox Pro tutorial on how to sign up. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to www.knoxvip.com. From here, we need to create an account. Click the Sign Up button at the top of the page. We now have two options: signing up using your email address or signing up using your mobile number. We are going to start with signing up using an email. First, enter the email address you would like to use into the required field. Next, we need to enter a password. This needs to be between 8 and 20 characters and in both letters and numbers. Now enter the password again to confirm this. If you have an invitation or referral code for Knox Pro from a friend or influencer, enter this into the required field also. You are welcome to use the one shown on the screen if you do not have one. Lastly, read and agree to the terms and conditions. Now select Sign Up. You will be presented a CAPTCHA to click. Click this to verify you are not a robot. You have now been sent an email with a verification code to confirm your email address. This should appear shortly. If you do not receive this, check your spam folder. You have about 5 minutes to enter this code. If you still do not receive this code, you can press the Get It Again text to have another code sent. With the code entered into the required field, press Confirm. This may happen automatically. You are now registered. If you were to have chosen your mobile number to register, you would need to first choose your country code, followed by your mobile number. The mobile number here, without the country code, is what will become your login username. The remaining details are the same as registering using email. Password, confirm password, enter the invitational code, agree to the terms and conditions, and press the Sign Up button. You will be presented a CAPTCHA to click. Click this to verify you are not a robot. You will be sent a confirmation code to verify your mobile number. You are required to enter this within 5 minutes. Then hit Confirm. Welcome to Knox Pro and happy trading. This concludes the Sign Up tutorial.